I'm back again, and today is another special video. So today I've got 3 finished items and they are kind of matching jumpers, knitted jumpers for me and my 2 boys. This is another sponsored video by Bellish, and it's an app where you can design your own patterns. So if you want to design your own patterns, you can use all the tools on there to generate your own pattern. You can pick your different sleeves, your different neck, you know, what design you want on the jumper, and add all your little tidbits like your size and colour and things like that, and it will generate the pattern for you. So this is what we made. Here's mine. Did you hear us? And then he's like, what's beautiful on you? He's homesick today. So then we have Jamal's. And then we have Siasman's.
You look so cute.
It's so cute.
Can I try it on for everyone?
If you want to try it on for everyone, you can do.
And I gotta keep it.
So they're really warm and nice and just great for chilling. I mean, done it a bit oversized and it's so snuggly. It's really nice.
Oh, it is.
So I got them freshly washed last night, so they smell really nice too.
Yep.
So since I picked up this bag first, right, for this one I did teal in market yarn, so I don't have the ball bands for this, and then the red was just some spare red that I had. Beautiful baby. So yeah, my friend's baby got into all my red.
Is that baby Uma?
Right, that's not for this. Yeah, baby Uma.
Oh, silly him.
So I did Jamal's in, he's going to be 9 next month. So I did his in the age 9 to 10. Usman's I did in 7 to 8 because he's still a skinny mini. Right, yeah.
Yeah.
So I did like his arms longer, but I did the body tighter. And for his, I used this Woolcraft King Cole Fashion Iron in Flint. So I didn't use too much of that actually. And for the stripes, I used Starcraft Special Iron in Mocha. So for my stripes, I also use this, and I use Starcraft Special Iron. So I did mine in a medium size. Yep, I did mine in a medium. So yeah, so super cozy, isn't it?
Yep.
And I finished 3 jumpers, yay! But now, so as excited as I am to get these off the needles, now I have to start 2 ankle length cardigans. 1 knitted, 1 crochet, but they're going to be long projects. So yeah. Anyway, the links for Bellish are going to be down below in the description box. It was really, really easy to do. It took maybe 30 seconds to generate, you know, each pattern. And on the pattern as well, on the app, they have like, you know, markers, and you can click, you know, to do your row repeats and things like that. So, you know, you can mark where you're up to. What else? Yeah, really easy to use. They're adding new patterns and styles on there all the time.
They're so comfortable as well.
They're so comfortable as well.
Yeah. And
yeah, if you don't have an iPhone, iOS thingamajig, if you're on Android or something else, basically they do have a website where they have all the patterns up there. Like thousands of patterns that they have up there, so you can just download the patterns.
And if you have a mummy like this, then you should live all your life.
I like it when he's sick, he's really nice. Alright, so no. Thank you. So I'm going to leave the link below to the website and the link below to the app. Give it a go. Also, if you make something, use the hashtag bellish and then add it to Instagram or whatever else. And even use my email. I would love to see what you make and even your thoughts down below on the app and, you know, the ease of use and things like that.
Tell her to make a hat for me.
Tell who
to
to
match
make a hat
this.
for you.
You, to make a hat for me.
Oh, he wants you to tell me to make him a hat to match his jumper. Why don't you just ask me to make a hat?
Okay, can you make a hat?
Okay. Right, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Bellish, for sponsoring another video. And have a great day. Hopefully he'll get better soon so I can have a day to myself. Bye.